Ładne włosy.
Patrz. Test. Hello. Test. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we still need camera vision. And we are live. Hello. So this will be stream number 8 for the custom navigation path. There is, we changed strategy, or gonna do a new approach to this problem. So what we want to have is we want to draw footprints in front of the user when he's walking to a destination. And until now, I was drawing the footprints. I was trying to draw the footprints along the line. Like I would calculate along the line where the footprints should be according to the position of the player, but then I have the problem calculating the exact position, and when the person would change the line, when the person would go away from the line, then it will be difficult. The place of the footprints. And so now what I want to do first is to create an independent game object that I can drag around in the scene, and it prints footprints where it's at. And then we can guide this, or we can pull this game object along the line, and you will see the footprints. Yes. We got this idea from an asset that we saw in last stream. Oh, maybe it's in there. No, this was the steps. It was like a sounds, I think. Sound assets. Oh no, it was this one. Yeah, so we want to create something like this without the particles. Just the game object moving and printing the steps along where they walk. So we're just gonna try that. Start a new script. Individual script. Layer path visualizer, this is the script for the path. And I think on this branch, because we're on the main branch, we disabled it. So when you use this scene, you don't have something unfinished. It's just kind of the idea of the workflow. You probably still have the option to turn it on. Yeah, but it doesn't, oops, doesn't work. Doesn't work, what's it called? Not safe to use it. So we're gonna rewrite the script. Did we even use those? No, never really used this. But that was used, that was thought ahead for like enabling disabling. So let's start a new script. How should we call it? And footprinter. Call it footprinter. So I have this in scripts. Just on the scripts, footprints. But this was under a game object. Now, last time someone complained we're not using modern technology to help our development, so we're gonna try use Cloud AI for a first solution. See how well it does it. I first need to log in here. How well they solve the solution, or how well they solve the problem. I first need to log in then. There you go. Okay. Okay, so let's go. To create Unity script that's footprints on the ground. Where then over game object covering footprints should be spawned with a small delay. Yeah, should be spawned with a small delay from right to left of what is the half a second? How fast is the footstep? 1, 2, well, like that's half a second. Second, and footprints that spawns footprints on the ground. Okay, object is above. Hope that makes sense. Let's see, how do we have the footprints now? What is it? Ah, it's a prefab of mesh renders. The distance between two footprints between footprint pair and should be, what do we have? Half a meter. Distance between two pairs of footprints would be 0 meter. Once the footprints, how many footprints should we leave? Footprints should disappear. Should fade away when distance between the game object and the footprint is more than, let's say, 3 meters, 5 meters. or there's I want to create a Unity C# script that spawns footprints on the ground where Chemtrack is hovering above. Let's load it. The footprints should be spawned with a small delay from right to left in delay of 5 seconds right to left. Left. Respawn delay of this. Starting with 5. Distance between the 2 pairs of footprints should be fade away. Input. The footprints are to objects. I currently have a footprint prefab with 2 children, left foot, right foot, with a folding mesh render image of the respective foot. Boom. See what it's cooking. This. Positioning alternative feed and distance based fading. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, spawn delay, foot distance, fade distance, foot separation. It's cool that we have numbers to adjust. Is most select. Okay, this script provides all the functionalities you requested. Footprint spawn every 5 seconds. Distance based. Use raycast to place on the ground surface. Okay, cool. Footprints fade out, not destroyed when more than 5 meters away. Footprints rotate to face the movement direction. Okay, yes. Attach the script to your hovering game object using a footprint prefab to the footprint prefab field. Cool. Make sure prefab has child objects named exactly left foot and right foot. Okay. Ah, here the search right. Okay. Just assign it, but yeah. Okay. Let's see how that works. What was this about? I was looking super logged in. Like, you know, reading chat too. Hi Rayan, by the way. How is life in Pakistan? I'm also trying to draw footprints where you're walking. Okay, so we have a new game object. It's the footprinter. That's the script. Prefab. Ah, there was probably. Scripts, footprints. Oh no, where's the prefab here? Prefab, footprints. And then it said in the left backspace, not backspace, white space, foot and right white. Okay. Like that. Yes, and right foot. Okay. Game object. Why does it have this fancy collider? Yeah, why does it have this fancy area around it? I don't know. Have to do with these values? Yes, it does. Okay. Interesting. What I want to do is also add here a cube. Let's create a cube. Enter. Is too loud a bit. Probably. A bit smaller. I have to put render. So this, boom, and then let's see. I wonder how it knows in which direction it goes. Boom. Okay. Not bad though. But do we have one problem? Well, okay. Get rid of this mesh. That's not the floor. Okay, let's do this without mesh. Array casting doesn't work so well. Hey. This is not the floor. Wow, they're like super. What the heck? Then why it's drawing here? Oh, then the previous ones, they appear again. Funny. Yeah, if you go back, they appear again. See? Like they don't get to delete. Okay. Yeah, if you walk in a circle, they like never go away. So you have time and distance that you should combine. Yeah, but let's first cover the case where it's like the ideal case where you just keep walking. Oh, wire sphere. Ah. Okay, why? Ah, this is this on draw. Gizmo selected. Why would you? Draw the distances. Where is 4 meters? Ah, that's not bad. Okay, 4 meters is quite a lot, but okay. And the other one is footprint distance. Ah, okay. So this is 1. 2. That's weird. Yeah, that's funny. Let me go back. Is it not deleting them? Well, we're not 4 meters away yet. Oh, why? Makes sense. I'm only get destroyed. Yeah, but why are they not visible again? But yeah, why did they go away? Let's check on the... Because they get spawned, but they're not visible anymore. Why? Ah, the mesh render's off. But why? Same here. Because it's changing. The alpha changes. Not doing with going like we did. It's not really doing this spawn position, vector up, vector down, hit. The raycast doesn't really work. Maybe because it's image. I don't know. No, work. Let's try it instead of using material alpha channel to handle the Roy and new game objects. I don't think about performance friendly, but we avoid the material issue. Instantiating and destroying game objects is not so recommended, actually. Oh yeah. We're doing it in a very small scale. Of service policy. What is terms of service policy? To name it every time. Um, just it. Oh, we also should ask for the array cast. What does it need? Check our floor. Does it have collider? No, just this one. Oh. But then this should have a collider, no? Let's add a collider here. Box collider. Boom. See if that works. Let's reduce this. Wait, this is a 2. Ah, this time it worked. Not bad that the distance between the footsteps is large. Oh. Here it detected the floor. Funny when it's walking on stuff. Yeah, got rid of this other problem. Whoa. I also walk on walls. It of course has its own flaws when you turn directions. Why is it doing this? Because of this? Probably. That's the package. Footprint distance. That didn't change anything, huh? I need a larger area. This is tight here. There we go. It's drawing on the footstep. On the object here. Not regular. Back. To make a circle. But let's maybe tell it not to. Wait. Can we find the place where it is fading it? Yeah, let's just not do fading. So we see where it draws the footprints. Yeah, and makes super long distance between. That's weird. This is very long. If I go super slow. Wait, that's how I want it, but if I go faster, then it doesn't keep up. Yeah. That's funny. Is it because it's doing this with time? Yeah, so if you go very slow, then it's pretty much what you want. But if you go really fast, then why is that? Spawn delay. Ah, we said half second. Ah, yeah. Let's tell it to forget about the second. Please remove the spawn delay. Spawning, but only. be distance related. Yeah, because when you walk slower, yeah, it will have this weird effect. Oh, it changed again. No, it says footprint. Thanks. I wonder how many times you can ask. Oh, we still have the object. Nice. Wait, what is that one footstep there? Aha, if we stay. Yeah, that's the basic question now. Do we do it by distance or by time? We could say by time, but the last... Oh, that's funny if you make small changes. Yeah. I think we do it by time, except the last 2 or so. That's already pretty decent. Yeah, like the last one. Oh, the last pair. Yeah, like if you were still standing. Footprints spawned. Okay, first we want the last when the game object or when the didn't standing or not moving anymore. Should on the other but not spawn. Looks like oops. all other spawned footprint. This should fade away after let's say walk 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds after they spawned. Except the last pair. See. Initial behavior and time-based fading for all footprints except the last pair. Yep. So far it's doing the changes quite good. I had cases where I would make changes and then it would get worse and worse, but they improved the model a lot. And I'm not even using the paid one here, so quite impressive. I'm using a new playlist here from Upbeat, a mix of futuristic electronica and reflective cinematic music to accompany intriguing long-form content and dark documentaries. Okay. I want to try another one inspired by Hans Zimmer. Let's check. Oh. What happened? Ah. Oh. Oh. What is this? Some last, maybe? That's weird. Just two errors, yeah. Making errors now. Spawn standing footprint. Spawn standing footprint. It does, it's here. Somehow this is in this function. That's not good. Voila. It created the function inside. Okay, weird. Yeah. Sometimes it helps to restart a new conversation, as we changed quite a few concepts now, but okay, let's check. Oh. Not good. Not good. Yep. 1, 2, movement threshold. Fade, delay. Seconds. What is the movement threshold? Minimum movement to consider as movement. Aha. Yeah, let's restart. Okay, first found footprints on the ground where came trees hovering. Footprints should be spawn. Yeah, let's leave this away. Distance between the two pairs of footprints should be. Let's make 4. Between two pair of footprints should be. Footprints should fade away. Bond. Let's add delay of 2 seconds. Delay of 2 seconds. Things. Bond. This between 2 pairs of footprints should be. The footprints should appear. Should be from a prefab. Nacheinander, what's it called? Leo. Subsequentially? No. Sequentially. What's them? What? Footprint should fade away with a delay of 2 seconds after being spawned. Fading. Drawing. There. Let's see. We should have set the name or whatever. We have footprint prefab. Footprint distance, fade delay, foot offsets between left and right foot. Okay. Ground layer mask. Ground check distance. has moved enough. That's funny. Has moved enough. It's just always true. For one, for the first. Yeah, it's way too much, 1.5. Whoa. Aha, we didn't describe the behavior that it should stand. Oh, but that's cool. Please remove offset as in the prefab, the distance between efforts between and right is already given. So far it's doing really good. Bound check layer. Oh, we can even have a layer mask here. Good. And a distance check. Yeah, when we go in a funny when we do a bit of curve. They can go really fast now, this works great. Could do a combination. Oh, there's a funny effect going up. Oof. Yeah. Ah, it's probably too close. Too close to the ground. Let's see. Object distance. Should be a bit higher. We threw away the old one, right? If you can go back. Ground offset. Okay. Let's change. I change playlist now. Okay. Ground offset is 0.1. 0.1. We still want to fade. Oh no, that won't fade the last two. Oh. We still want that. Just don't destroy the last pair of the last. The last pair of footprints is not removed. Standing. Moving. Only one of the that works. Standing still threshold. Okay. Have a threshold again. I don't know if this is time or distance. No, what are you doing? Because I scrolled probably. The animation is broken. As soon as I stop, hold it below. better. I always go a bit higher. Mm-hmm. Then they just spawn additionally. What is the threshold? Standing still threshold, is this in seconds? Oh, that's still not correct. Oh, here it does. It worked better on the last version. Let's see what it did now. Covered everything. Right. Ask it to write the unit test so you don't have to manually check each time. Ask it to write the unit test. I've never done unit testing in Unity. And how would it test it? Like Claude AI would test itself? Or draw an animation? What do you mean? No, we have two footsteps. Not next to each other, but... So then fix the issue. Did we copy it? I would want to have it like this. I don't like in the prefab that they are a bit close to each other. Maybe we'll put them a bit away. Yes, still not fix. Still. Dang it. Mm. Complete the pairing, yeah, it should do that. This is the last one, right, that we got. Interesting, even though we changed the prefab distance between didn't change. Distance. To avoid this issue, we could select here a new layer, floor, floor. And it should not go higher and higher when it's walking above its own or detecting its own footsteps as floor. Just the case. Yeah. But the footsteps are I think they're too close to each other, like change this. Ooh, but somehow it keeps this. I can get this from journal. Okay. And distance, spawn footprint. Yeah, because it doesn't need to spawn the left foot. It only needs to spawn once and then. Yeah. Yeah, so it keeps the same distance. It doesn't change the distance between the feet. Here maybe configure footprint. See what I mean? Uh-huh. What? Wait. That's funny. Okay, so friend is only the one left. Ah, it moves it, but it's not. How I had it in mind. I move this, and then I have left and right foot enabled, and then. Okay. The last pair of footprints. See. Starting from scratch again. It'd be interesting to look at the difference of each chat now we did, but yeah, they all do this route. Like, that's cool. Sometimes they just use a variable, but then they never use it. D. Okay. And then we should end the stream soon. Oof. Nope. Ah, slightly above the ground and into the direction. Music is a bit nervous. Right now. Why did it look more smooth before? Maybe this distance needs to be higher now. Yeah. I liked it much. I liked it more before. When it goes slow, it looks weird. Yeah, it doesn't look smooth at all. It's like because how was the right foot spawned first? No, right. I like the previous version 4 more, so I'm just gonna try this again. Oh no, that was the broken one. First one of this. Yeah, I like this one more. No, this one doesn't make sense. I could tell it. I don't know, let's keep both. Here the problem is that we don't have the last two, it's always... Yeah. Okay. Let's have footprint 1. Enter. 2. Then we call it day. One. Oh, we had to increase this, right? Even more, maybe. Oh, that was spawned together. Yeah, that's a bit what's off in the script. Always spawn together, so they always have two. But yeah, told it to do it this way. Overall, this looks a bit better. It looks more like a path and not like always next to each other, you know what I mean? I like the path more, except that the spawning is a bit weird. But would you recognize? Yeah, going away is a bit chunky. Yeah. But hey, I think we got a good, more or less good result. Let's do a recording. Okay. I will commit this on a new branch. Foot enter. Minimap render texture. Okay. Tags, yeah, we added a new tag. Foot render script work in progress. Boom, but I'm almost satisfied with it. Like, except that they always come together. Looks quite cool. I think that was a good idea. Take this approach to have an independent solution, spawning footprints, and then drag this game object along the line. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and see you around. See you next time. Peace. I honestly hate this music. No, I don't hate it. But I would love to just listen to Spotify, but then I have copyright infringement problems and we don't want that. But voila, here we are. I could listen to Spotify and not stream it. I could do that, but then it's kind of weird. I not hear the same thing as you. Wow. See the problem? And yeah, voila. Anyways, cheers.